Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the Open Camera app and allow camera, microphone, and storage permissions now. Mount your phone on a tripod or steady surface within 3.5 inches of the lens. Choose the back camera for better sensors and lower noise in low light. Open Settings and set resolution to 1080p or 4K, and choose 30 FPS or 60 FPS based on your needs. Enable the grid and electronic stabilization to reduce shakiness while recording. Turn off HDR Auto if you need consistent exposure across clips. Select the highest bitrate available for cleaner footage and easier color grading later. Before you press record, set manual focus and lock exposure for consistency. Adjust ISO and shutter speed to control brightness without flicker or clipping. Use the on-screen histogram and focus peaking to verify proper exposure and sharpness. Connect an external microphone via USB or the 3.5mm jack for clearer sound when available. Enable wind reduction and monitor audio levels on the app to avoid peaking above 0 dB. Start recording with the large red button and watch the timer and file size indicator. Use the volume keys as a physical shutter control to avoid touching the screen unnecessarily. When you finish, stop recording and immediately review footage using the app playback. Check both video framing and audio for clipping or unwanted noise before moving on. Save each clip to a dedicated folder named by date and project for easy retrieval. Transfer large files using USB transfer or reliable cloud storage to free phone space quickly. Back up the original files intact before editing to preserve maximum quality for future changes. Trim and color correct in an editor, then export using a suitable codec and desired bitrate for delivery. Archive completed projects and clear temporary files to maintain storage and performance on the device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.